How to do privacy and security settings on iPhone. With iPhone's new operating system, iOS 14, you are able to protect your data with the new privacy and security settings. If you do these things, your information will be much more safe. Apple has released the iOS 14 update. The new operating system focuses on the privacy and security of iPhone users. With the new settings, Apple's mobile operating system iOS is way more safer than ever. Apps on iOS ask for permission to use your camera and microphone. With iOS 14, an indicator icon is added to the upper corner of the screen when using these functions. Green dot means your camera is being used and orange dot means your microphone is being used. This feature makes it impossible for apps to use your camera or microphone without your knowledge. When you open the control center of your iPhone, you can access detailed information about the last applications that used your camera or microphone. Just swipe down to open your phone's control center. How to limit access to photos and location. 2. Activate this setting for location services. It is necessary to enter the Settings app, then the Privacy and Location Services section. When you tap any application, you can choose how often that application can access the service. You can choose the options that the system offers you, which are never, always, only when app open, only when you allow. If you do not want the application to see your exact location, you can use the precise location setting on this page. If you want to limit the photos and videos that an application can access, you need to go to the Privacy section in the Settings app and tap the photos there. From this part, you can choose which application can access your photos. How to detect weak passwords. Apple has been able to synchronize passwords and other login information on iCloud for some time. This way, passwords on iOS and macOS devices can be stored in the cloud service. This can be changed through Passwords option in the settings. With the iOS 14, Apple offers users password tracking system. This system alerts the user if it detects any credential data leakage. But to use this feature, it is necessary to activate the security advice at the top of the password settings. iOS 14 offers the user various suggestions regarding password privacy. How to get rid of Wi-Fi trackers. With iOS 14 update, use private address option added to the Wi-Fi settings. As it is known, when device connects to Wi-Fi network, it obtains MAC media access control address. This way, internet service providers and advertisers can determine where and when the device is logged in. Thanks to this new iOS 14 feature, your iPhone gets different MAC address every time. This makes tracking very difficult, and you don't have to do anything. This feature is default now on all iOS 14 devices. How to now when apps are checking your clipboard. This feature, which was first discovered with the iOS 14 beta, informs us about the applications that access your clipboard. This way, you have the opportunity to automatically receive all security information about apps. How to limit apps that are tracking you. With the new privacy and security settings on iOS 14, you can limit apps from tracking you. Simply enter the Settings application and tap the monitoring option in the privacy part and determine when the applications can and cannot track you. How to get privacy reports from Safari. Another feature that you should know about iOS 14 is the privacy reports that will be offered by Safari. Privacy report feature added to Apple Safari contains detailed information about which viewers are protected from users while surfing the internet. So you can view the trackers on page with Safari, and you can see how many people tracked you in the websites that you surfed. In this article, you learned how to do privacy and security settings on iPhone.